how to edit audio spectrum videos like this, like this, and like this very easily in Wondershare Filmora 11.
And also this applies to the other versions of Filmora too. Hello and welcome back Insiders. This is Geek Insider. For that purpose, now let's get started with this video. For that, let's move on to my computer screen.
First of all, I'll simply drag and drop down the audio whose audio spectrum I want to create, and after that I'll choose an image which I want to use as a background image for this audio spectrum video. So I'll simply drag and drop down that image to my timeline and extend its length to the end of this audio, and after that I'll simply crop this background image according to the resolution of the video that I am creating. Like in this case, the preferred resolution of the background image is supposed to be 16:9 ratio, and you can change it according to your desired needs. Now we are required to select the image that we want to use as a logo image in this audio spectrum video. Like I have selected this image that is going to be the logo image of my video, and for that purpose I'll again extend this image to the end of this audio, and now we'll simply go on the mask option, and from there we'll select the circle, and scrolling down we'll make the horizontal and vertical percentage exactly same, that is 50-50, and this thing gives exactly a circular cut to our logo. And using the scale we can increase or grow the size of this circle, and moreover we can also adjust which portion of the image we want to include in that circle logo. Now we are required to put audio visualizer in the video, and for that purpose we will go on effects, and on the left hand side we'll select the audio visualizer option, and under that category we'll be able to see so many audio visualizer. And now you can select any of your choice. Like for instance, I have selected this and I have extended its length up to the end of this audio. And by just double clicking on this visualizer we'll have access to these settings, and from here we can increase or decrease the size of this visualizer, and using the position X and Y we can adjust its position, and using the radius option we can increase or decrease the size of this visualizer. And moreover we have another option to increase or decrease the intensity of this visualizer. Like for instance, if we increase the intensity or the range of motion of this visualizer increases, and vice versa when we decrease its intensity. And if you wish to use another audio visualizer you can do that also. For that the settings remain the same, there is no change. And moreover, if you want to change the color of this audio visualizer in different segments you can do that also, and even you can increase the segments of that audio visualizer. And now to put some glowing effects in your sound logo, you can follow these steps, which includes the dropping shadow effect of various colors and how much you want to blur it, its opacity and distance from the main logo. Just follow these steps that I am showing you right now. Now here comes the most important step that can give your videos an extra edge or an outstanding effect to your videos, that is adding a particle or star effect to your videos. And for that purpose, first of all you need to download a particle video or the star video, and for your convenience I have given a link to those videos in my description. However, for this video I have already downloaded a star particle video, and I'll simply now drag and drop that video to my timeline. The important thing here is to notice that you need to import that video at the layer number 2, that is just above the wallpaper that you are using as a background image for your audio spectrum video. And why this step is the most important and what is the requirement for that star particle video at the layer number 2, and that question will be answered in the video itself as we move ahead. Now just go on the composition effect of that star particle video, and from that go on the blending mode and select screen, and after that decrease the opacity of this video, and now decrease the opacity of this layer so that the background image is also visible and this star particle effect gets blended to that background image, and there are no signs of uneven distribution of both the layers. And after completing all the blending settings of the star particle video, we just need to copy, paste and to replicate this copy of this video till the end of this audio. And in case if you have a full length video, then there is no need, but in my case I have a very short video, so I am required to make copies of this video and make till the end of this audio. And now furthermore, in this video I'll show how you can decorate your videos, like adding the names of this song, artist name, and like Spotify logo and the other stuff that you need to require. And moreover, I'll also show you how you can put more than one audio spectrum in your videos and make them look more attractive. Not only this spectrum on the logo of the Spotify, and also another audio spectrum that looks like a C wave. So you are required just to see all these steps that I am showing in this video, and I guarantee that after watching this video you will not be required to watch any other videos regarding audio spectrum in Filmora 11 and its further versions, because this is the most complete and detailed tutorial that you can ever see on YouTube or any other platform. So stick around this video until the end, and if you are enjoying this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe my channel right now. And also, if you have subscribed right now, then please do mention in the comment section that you have subscribed to my channel, so that I can get to know how many new subscribers have been added to my Geek Insider family.